Proceed. We all knows that we have studied universal law of gravitation or Newton's law of gravitation. So what is the formula, guys? Everybody, Newton's law of gravitation, we studied that. The force of attraction present between any two bodies in the universe, the force of attraction present between any two bodies in the universe is directly proportional to what? Everybody? Directly proportional to product of their masses, and inversely proportional to what? All of you.
Distance.
Distance
Distance from the
center
point. Inversely proportional to, understanding? Inversely proportional to square of distance between the two bodies from their what? From their centers. That is only called as, what is to call everybody? We is to called as Newton's universal law of gravitation or Newton's law of gravitation. So if we combine these two, we have got F is equals to, what is the formula? All of you speak loudly. F is equals to capital G into capital M into small m divided by d square. Understanding? And we got the G value also as that. G value is how much, guys? Value 6.67
into 10 power minus 11
Newton square meter per
kilometers.
Without units, you people cannot be. Understanding? That is what. Now, from the second chapter, let us go back to the second chapter. From second chapter, we all knows that we already studied free fall also. If the body is traveling on the surface, that is what? In a plane, please remember, motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. What is the force F is equals to for equation? Force F is equals to what, guys? F is equals to mass into acceleration. If a vertical motion, that is what we used to study free fall. In the case of free fall, see here, mass and acceleration are dependent factor. Mass is dependent, sorry, A is dependent on mass. Understanding, Mari, Lingesh? Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the horizontal motion, remember, motion in a plane, mass and acceleration is dependent to each other. That is what? F is equals to ma and A is equals to F by m. So what is the relationship between A and m? Everybody? All of you? A is inversely proportional to mass, or mass is inversely proportional to A when they are in a motion in a plane. Understanding? So acceleration increases, mass decreases, or mass increases, acceleration decreases. But in the case
So
of,
they are independent only, no, sir.
no, they are in, yeah, dependent, Mari. In the case of motion in a plane, they are dependent. Mass increases, acceleration decreases. Acceleration increases, mass decreases. Are you clear?
So in the case of free fall, they are
What I'm
independent.
saying. In the case of free fall, acceleration becomes G. What do you mean by G means, everybody? What do you mean by G, guys?
Acceleration due to gravity.
Acceleration due to? Acceleration due to?
Gravity.
Okay,
Gravity.
Agalya, what is acceleration? G means what? Acceleration due to?
Gravity.
Yes, acceleration due to gravity. So now if you have taken, in this case, what is happening, guys? On the day offline class also I told you. So what will happen? G is independent of mass or dependent of mass? Everybody? G is independent. What is that? Independent of mass. So when it is only falling under the what? Only falling under the what force? Only falling under gravitation. Only under
And
gravity.
drag force.
Then G is exerting, G is independent of mass. So irrespective of masses, heavier body or lighter body, or lighter body or heavier body, or big body or small body, both will reach us the ground.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we say free fall as it is due to the gravitational force and drag force, or either of them, sir?
No drag force. If the drag force is exerting but equal amount of drag force, then we can neglect the drag force. Do you understand? If
Yes,
both
sir.
are experiencing the same amount of drag force, then we can neglect the drag force. Understand, Mari? So that is why for that purpose, Mr. Galileo experiment, what he has done, He has dropped here 2 balls. One is wooden ball, another one is iron ball. But the shape and size is same. Do you remember? The shape and size is same. What not same, everybody? Mass is not same. Do you understanding? Mass is not same, but the shape and size is same. So that is why from the leaning piece of tower, both reaches the ground at the what time? Everybody? Same time. Both reach ground at the same time. That is why don't get confused. Free fall means only under the gravitational force. So only under the gravitational force, if any body is falling towards to the ground, it is called as free fall. So in this case, G is independent of mass. So
Sir,
mass
but the
of
mass
body,
differs now, sir.
mass does not matter. That is what I'm saying. Mass of the body does not affect the G value. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
G value is always remains constant. What is the G value? Everybody. You all people know G value is equals to
9.8.
9.8 meter per second square, or we can say 10 meter per second square. So this G value does not vary based upon the mass of the body. You understand, Mari? That is what is the point you have to remember. Clear? Either you are falling towards the ground, or I am falling towards the ground, or elephant is falling towards the ground. Always the G value is 9.8 only. Are you clear, everybody? Girls?
Yes.
Boys? Yes, please. Respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. Now,
Sir.
according to free fall, yes, Shivani, tell me. Anything doubt? Kavya? Okay. So now, according to the free fall, when the body is falling towards to that, then F is equals to what is the formula? Anybody? Mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is the, let me take equation number 2. And already we know the equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? G into capital M into small m divided by d square. This is equation number 1. So now equate both equation 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2. What will happen, guys? What is the first equation? All of you check it. F is equals to capital G into capital M into small m divided by d square. Second equation, F is equals to, what is that? M into G. So I am equating this both. So what will happen? In place of F, I can write M into G. So M into G is equals to capital G into capital M into small m divided by d square. So what will happen? Small m and small m will get cancelled. So small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by d square. This is only the relation between small g and capital G. Please write it. Relation between capital G and what? Everybody? G, small g. Write it. Capital G and small g, the relation between them.
Sir, can you please show first?
Yeah, relation between capital G and small g. What is the relation between capital G and small g, everybody? Small
G is equal.
is equals to capital G into capital M divided by d square. This is only will gives you the G value. For different planet, different bodies, different G value. We are going to calculate that now. Okay, so make it. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. Understand, Agalya? Kishore? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please make sure you understand, then only you can proceed. Shivani, clear? Abhirami, Alfin, writing notebook, otherwise not necessary to
Sir,
join.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, ask me.
So why are we equating
Because we
these
have to
two?
find the relationship between small g and capital G. What is, how it is, they differs. What is the relation? So we already know the force exerting by a body is mg. And now the force exerted between the two bodies is capital G into capital M into small m divided by d square. So both if you equate it, you will get the
Yes,
relationship between capital G and small g. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you clear, everybody? Please
Yes, sir.
respond. Yeah. Now, if you observe, if I take, for example, Earth, let me take Earth. I have taken. All of you observe. We are having different thing. What is the two space parts which we know? So one is Earth, as we are living on the Earth. Let me take, this is the Earth, everybody. So Earth is considered. Now, Earth, if I place 1 kg object on the surface, just imagine if I place 1 kg object on the surface, what is the force exerting? That is what it is. Of course, I can take any other mass also, doesn't matter. So, mass of the body. Now, either I put 1 kg or 2 kg or 3 kg or 4 kg, doesn't matter. The mass compared to the mass of the Earth, the mass of the body is negligible. Will you all agree with me, everybody? Please respond, guys. Compared to the mass of the body, the mass of the Earth is extremely larger. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now, the distance between them, what we used to call distance between the two centers, we used to say, we used to call something D. Am I right or wrong? So the mass of the body is 1 kg. I have kept it on the above the surface of the Earth, and its center of mass is here, and radius of the Earth, center of mass of the Earth is here. So both I am taking. I'm taking the distance between them. What I assume, you guys? The distance between them. What I can assume? Agalya? We can assume as a D. Now, as we know, if you take apple or if you take a human or if you take any kind of body, compared to the size of the Earth, the size of the body is very negligible, and the mass of the body is also very negligible mass. So negligible mass, and negligible mass and negligible size. That is why the distance between the two bodies from their centers, I will assume as approximately radius of the planet. That is what you have to remember. Are you clear? As the size of the body is extremely smaller, I will assume the distance between the two bodies from their centers is approximately equals to the radius of the Earth. Please write it. RE means radius of the Earth. If I take the moon, then what will happen? Radius of the moon. So radius of the moon, radius of the moon. If I take a sun, it will come radius of the sun. All of you understanding? Radius of the sun. Yes.
Sir, if the object's mass has negligible mass means we can keep them as radius, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Then the distance between from their centers is approximately equals to the radius of the planet. You understand, Mari? So the small g varies. Small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by D is equals to R approximately. So that what will happen? In place of D, I will write R square. This is the standardized formula for small g. Please learn it. Small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. Okay. R means what, everybody? R means what?
Radius.
R means actually what? Radius of the
Radius.
planet. Doesn't man understanding? Because radius is equal in every direction. Understanding? Because if you consider Earth is a spherical in shape, Earth is a spherical in shape, R is always equal approximately. Understanding? So, but what is happening? Very small body I am considering, so that the distance between the two bodies from their centers is approximately equals to R. That is why I am replacing D with R. Is it okay? Everybody clear? Girls? Agalya?
Yes.
Yes. So that is the formula. Now, if I want to calculate the small g of Earth, this formula will be modified like this. Small g, acceleration due to gravity of Earth is equals to capital G into mass of Earth divided by square of radius of Earth. If I want to calculate g of moon is equals to capital G into mass of moon divided by radius of moon square. Suppose if I want to find for g of sun, acceleration due to gravity of sun. So what will happen, guys? Yes, please. G of S means what will happen? Capital G into capital mass of sun divided by radius of sun square. Clear, everybody? So that is how the formula will be varies for formula to formula. Now Abhiram is asking question, sir. Then R is radius between two objects from the centers. Actually, R means radius of the planet, Abhirami, but we will consider approximately that is the distance between the two objects from their centers. Understand, Abhirami?
Sir, is it different? Differs from the question?
What question?
The
No, they
formula
will
you
mention
said.
you. Suppose they'll ask you calculate the gravitational force of Earth, acceleration due to gravity of Earth. You have to use this formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understanding, everybody? All of you understood, Amma? Girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Arashini, Agalya, that is what it is. Now, so you all know in our book they have given, you can check it. What is the small g and capital G values and all. So all of you check it, all of you. What is the values of Earth? You can see and tell me. What is the mass of the Earth, everybody? Yes, please. Mass of the Earth. What is the mass of the Earth? Check in our book and tell me. Nobody knows.
6 into 10 per 24
16 to
kg.
10 to the power of 24 kg.
Yes. So 6 into 10 to the power of 24. Approximately it is equals to, you can notice it. Approximately equals, actually 5 point something, but it will be equals to 6. We can write it. So we can say we'll calculate the G value. Okay. So G value of Earth is equals to capital G into mass of the Earth divided by radius of the Earth square. Can you tell me what is the mass of the Earth, everybody? 6 into 10 to the power of
24.
yes, 6 into 10 to the power of
24.
24 kg. And what is the radius of the Earth, everybody? Radius of the Earth. Radius of the Earth. Check it. Book.
6.37 into 10 power
Yeah, 6.3. Correctly tell me, Nivedan. Kishore. What is the radius of the
Yes.
Earth? How much? 6 point?
6.37 into 10 to the power 6, sir.
Oh, 10 to the power of 6 meters or kilometers?
Meters, sir.
Meters. Okay. So that's what it is. Now you can substitute it. So G value we all know. Capital G value, tell me. What is the capital G value?
6.67 into
6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton square meter per kilogram square. Can you tell me what is the unit of small g? Anybody? Boys, Mr.
9.8.
Small g units I ask, not value. 9.8 is only for Earth. I'm asking units of small g. What is the units of small g?
Meter per second, sir.
The
Meter
meter
per
per
second.
second square.
That's all it is. So you can substitute, you will get it. You can see. So capital G value 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into mass of the Earth 6 into 10 to the power of 24 divided by radius of the Earth 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square. Okay. All of you understood? Kavya, are you doing Alphin? That is what. Now I will write 6.67 into 6. You can see this and this into 10 to the power of minus 11 into 10 to the power of 24 divided by this one is looks like this. A into B whole square, which is equals to A square into B square. So what will happen this one? 6.37 whole square into 10 power 6 whole square. Next, this one you see that. A power m whole power n, which is equals to A power mn. So I'll modify this one. Now this one you tell me. A power n and A power n formula. What is that? All coefficient formula. A power m into A power n. What is the formula? A power m plus n.
10 plus
So I will add it now. 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24, which is equals to 10 power minus 11 plus 24. What is the answer, guys? Minus 11 plus 24. Yes, please. 10 power
13.
10 power 13. Understanding? So that is what? So 6.67 into 6 into 10 power 13 divided by this one 6.37 into 6.37 into this one will become what? 10 power 6 into 2. Everybody. 10
by
power
8.
6. 8. Wow.
12.
Super. 10
12,
power 6
sir.
into 2, which is equals to 10 power 12. Okay, wow. Everybody? Clear?
So we can cancel it down, sir. 10
Yes.
power 13 and 10
Yes,
power
yes.
12.
Mr. Kishore, you can do it, Kishore, nothing wrong. Now 10 power 12 and 10 power 13 get cancelled. 1 is remaining. 5.98 you take, it is okay, Kishore. You take rounding off to 6. Okay, Kishore? 10 power 1 divided by
Okay, sir.
6.37 into 6.37. So multiply it and tell me what is 6.67 into 6, everybody? 6.67 into 6. 6.67 into 6, which is equals to
4.02.
40.02, not 4 point, 40 point. Check it. Clear? Divided by 6.37 into 6.37. Mr. Lingesh, what is the answer? 40.5769 into 10. So do this division, everybody. You will get it. You can make it. So multiply with 1,000 if you don't know. To remove the decimal. 1,000 or 10,000 or 4 digits correct. So 10,000 divided by 40.5769 into 10,000. So into 10. So which will turn up into what? Everybody. 40, 0 to 2 decimals over 00. Divided by this one, 40.5769. Is it okay, guys? Please respond. All of you. Into 10. Clear, everyone? So do the division. 40 00200 divided by 405769. If you do it, exactly check it, everybody. You will get answer 0.98 into 10 will come. Okay. So into 10, 10 power 1 is there. So 10 power 1 means 10 only. So into 10, if I multiply, how much will come answer? Everybody.
9.8.
9.8 meter per second square. That is how the exact value will get it when you are doing it. Any doubt, guys? All of you. So do slowly, neatly, then only you will get it. All of you must do it. Are you clear, everybody? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abhiram. Any doubt anybody can ask me? Okay, you understood how to find the small g value? Are you clear, guys? Yes, have you all got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will show you the things. Now you all see that. What is the celestial bodies you can see in our surroundings? Can you tell me what is the known celestial bodies to you all? Anybody? Means which is out of atmosphere. Out of atmosphere, what is the celestial bodies known to you people? Anybody?
Moon.
Moon, Earth. Sorry, Earth is a terrestrial body because we are living on the Earth. So whatever it is present in our surroundings, that is called as terrestrial bodies. Now, out of atmosphere, we is to called as what bodies? Everybody? All of you? We is to called as celestial bodies. Please remember. So out of atmosphere, who is present out of atmosphere? Anyone?
Planets.
Planets. So the planets, galaxies, whatever it is, you can take it, anything. So that is all. So the known planets to us, the known one is, for example, Sun. So Sun is actually our like center of our solar system. All the planets in the solar system is revolving around the Sun. So that is why, with what is the force of attraction, what gravitation it is exerting by the Sun on the Earth, let us discuss now. So that is only, if you notice it here, you can see in this tabular column, so which will gives you the entire idea of how it will be exerting and how much it is exerting, what is the mass of it and everything. So which you not find in our book and all. You can see Sun they have given, Moon they have given, and Mars they have given, Jupiter they have given, and Saturn they have given. You can calculate any kind of thing. Now Earth, Earth we all calculated. What is the Earth value, everybody? 9.7.
1.8.
Or we can say which is equals to 9.8. Now see, compared to the sun's gravity, all of you check it. Earth gravity is how much times smaller? Now you might be not yesterday news. Our ISRO is going to launch Aditya L1 towards the sun. Do you all remember, everybody? Have you heard
Yes,
it?
sir.
Aditya L1.
Yes, sir.
They are not going to launch to the sun. Why? If they launch sun, because of sun's gravity, it will be fall into the sun. So they have to launch a particular parts of the universe where gravitational force is negligible. That is the points we used to call as L1 point. Totally L points. Totally 5 points are there in the things. So that 5 points only gravity is 0. Only they can send it to that point. So from that only they can observe the sun's outer surface, what is the structure, how it is taking place and all. So that is what long range region, something we can say L1, L2, L3, L4. 5 regions are there where gravitational force is negligible. So if they will go behind it, the satellite will be fall into the sun, because you can see what is the acceleration due to gravity of the sun, everybody? 273. Do you understanding? 273 is approximately, you can see, you can notice it, 27 times heavier than the earth. This is what I want to teach you. So approximately how many times the gravity of sun is heavier than the earth, everybody? Yes, please. 27 times. Understanding? So approximately if you multiply that into 27, you'll get around 28. You cannot take. It will come 274 approximately. So 27 to 28 times you can take if you want. But basically we'll say 27 times. Exactly if you want it, 28 also you can. Because 28 means it will go to 274.4. So that is why we won't take it. So approximately how many times heavier than the earth gravity? Everybody, moon's gravity is how many times heavier? All of you, 27 times heavier. Same way, moon's gravity is how many times less? Check it, everybody. How many times? 9.8 divided by 6. So actually it is 1.67, not 1.63. Please remember that. So how many times it is less? 6 times it is less. 6 times it is less than earth gravity. Do you understanding, all of you? So that much variations will be there. So that is the reason you can see, you can calculate what is the moon's gravity, sun's gravity, earth gravity and all. This tabular column just to about for you people, you might be studied it. Understanding? So the Mars, it will take, you can notice it. Like Earth 1 year, Mars it is equals to many years. And Jupiter, Earth 1 year, there it is equals to like 1 day. Like that we people will study. So that is what, because of gravitational force. So the how fast or how slow the planets are revolving around itself or revolving around the sun is everything because of force of attraction. So this force of attraction, G value, acceleration due to gravity, depends on the understanding how much it is, either Earth or Moon or Mars, depends on their mass and their radius. Please remember that. So here, mass of the sun is very, very big. That is why the force of the gravitational force of attraction is also greater. Understanding, all of you? Please respond, guys. Everybody? So this is what is the table column will gives you the acceleration due to gravity, small g on other celestial bodies other than, like you can see, sun, moon, Mars, Jupiter and Earth. So moon you calculate it. Now I will form the statement, you all prove it. Gravity of Earth is equals to 6 times of gravity of moon. Note it. Or gravity of moon is equals to 1/6 times of gravity of Earth. Very, very important thing. So please note it. Gravity of moon is, sorry, what is the gravity of Earth? Everybody see it. Gravity of Earth is 9.8, which is equals to 6 times of gravity of moon, 1.63. So that's all. If you multiply it, you will get it. 9.8, 9. You can see that. Or you can see gravity of moon is 1.63. 1/6 into 9.8. If you do it, 9.8 by 6, you will get again 1.63. Okay, guys? Mari understand? Lingesh, Agalya, Kavya? That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So gravity of Earth is how many times heavier than the moon? Everybody? How many times heavier than the moon? Arasini, Sangamitrai? That is 6 times heavier than the moon. Okay. So that is why it is important means next concept we will study mass and weight. So by that time you will understand what is the importance of it. Okay, guys? Down. So Jupiter, is it what is the value of Jupiter is given here? Jupiter, how much it is? 27.2. Okay. So let us calculate. We have a time. So we'll calculate it now. So what is the gravitational force of Jupiter? So force of attraction of Jupiter will calculate it. You can substitute it. What is the mass of the Jupiter and that and all? You can make it. You will just do it. So I'll find it. So gravitational force of Jupiter is equals to capital G into mass of Jupiter divided by radius of Jupiter square. So 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. 10 power. What is that, everybody? 10 power. Okay. So okay, here I will write. 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into what is the mass of the Jupiter, everybody? Mass of the Jupiter, how much? 2 into 10 power 27. Yeah, 27 divided by what is the radius of Jupiter? 7 into 10 power 7 whole square. Okay, so which is equals to 6.67 into 2. Okay, into you can see 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 27 divided by this one 7 square into 10 power 7 whole square. So now tell me, guys, 6.67 into 2, 10 power 11 minus 27, how much, Amma? 11 plus 27, fastly, guys. 10 power.
38.
Ray, minus 11 plus 27, Yandra Nivedan ide. Very, very bad, Nivedan.
16, sir.
16.
So 10 power 16. So 2 into 10 power 16 divided by 7 square. 7 sevens are how much? 49. Understanding into 10 power 7 whole square. How much it is? 10 power 7 twos are 7 twos are 14. Understanding? So 16 and 14 get cancelled. 2 is remaining. So that's all. 6.67 into 6.67 into 2. How much am I answer? 6.67 into 2, which is equals to 13.34 divided by 49 into 10 power 2. 10 power 2 means how much, Ra? 10 power 2 means how much, guys?
100.
So 13.34 divided by 49, which is equals to, you can see, 0.272. You can take it into 10 power 2. So multiply with 100, how much it will turns? 2 decimal, 2 this side will come. 27.2 meter per second square. Have you got the answer exactly, everybody? It will come 2 will come. That's what. So 27.22 meter per second square. That is the acceleration due to gravity of Jupiter. You can find any kind of planet, any kind of object. Okay, in this whole universe, you can find anything in our like with the help of this formula. Either it is a galaxies or any some other thing. Whatever it is, if you want to find the G value, you can find. Are you clear, guys? All of you? Okay. So
Yes.
exam also, any question they can ask, but they will give you the mass of the body and radius of the body. So then you have to calculate by using this formula, you have to calculate it. So if they'll ask you to calculate acceleration due to gravity, keep it in mind. What is the formula? Acceleration due to gravity, small g equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. This is the formula for calculating acceleration due to gravity. And what is the units of it, everybody? Meter per respond. Meter per second square. Okay, all of you. So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. So please respond, everybody. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So solve it. Calculate the Jupiter's gravitational force. Anything they can ask you, not only this one. So on sun also you try. Are you getting the same answer or not? Please let me know. Okay. Clear? Hasini Sudhaga, Princey, Abhirami, Alfin. So you have to work and you have to solve it. Anywhere, anybody having doubt, you can ask. Wait means later, Kishore. I'll teach you. Don't worry. You do this first. Okay, wow. Do you all understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure if you have anything doubt, you have to ask me. So now you all try sons and all everything. Then we will study. So what is this big question? He not concluded, Abhirami. We calculated. You understand? We know mass of the earth and we know mass of the radius of the earth. Then only we calculated G value is 9.77. You understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, here also mass of the earth, I am not taking 6. 6 is not the correct value. You take 5 point something. That is the exact value. Then you will get 9.77 only. Understand, Ma? That's calculation slightly varies. That doesn't matter.